Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about some numericals on the conversion of units. Now numerical number 1. Numerical number 1. Convert convert 1 Newton 1 Newton convert 1 Newton into dynes. Convert 1 Newton into dynes. This is the question. Once again, I am repeating the question, my dear students. Convert 1 Newton into dyne. This is the question. Now, solution. Now, we are going to discuss about solution. 1 Newton 1 Newton is unit of force on MKS. Once again I am repeating the point. 1 Newton is the unit of force on MKS. At the same time, dyne is unit of force on CGS. Similarly, dyne is the unit of force on CGS. Therefore, the dimensional formula, the dimensional formula of force, is F is equal M1 L1 T to the power of -2. Now, therefore, the dimension of force, the dimension of the dimensions of force, in mass, comma, length and time are A is equal 1, B is equal 1, C is equal -2. Therefore, yes, we have to convert SI to CGS. SI to CGS or MKS to CGS. Therefore, M1 is equal 1 kg and L1 is equal 1 meter and T1 is equal 1 second. At the same time, M2 is equal 1 gram, L2 is equal 1 centimeter, T2 is equal 1 second. Now, therefore, N1 is equal 1 Newton. N1 is equal 1 Newton. Therefore, N2 number of dynes. N2 is equal number of how many number of dynes? How many number of dynes? That is, we don't know. This is we have to find. Therefore, N2 is equal N1 into U1 by U2. Consider equation number 1. Therefore, N2 is equal to N1 into M1 by M2 whole by A, L1 by L2 whole to the power of B, T1 by T2 whole to the power of C. Okay, I hope you understood how I am solving one by one. Therefore, N2 is equal 1 into, because N1 is equal to 1 into 1 kg by 1 gram whole to the power of A into 1 meter by 1 centimeter whole to the power of B into 1 second by 1 second whole to the power of C. Therefore, N2 is equal 1 into 10 cube grams by 1 gram into A whole into 1 meter means 100 centimeters by 1 centimeter whole to the power of B 1 second by 1 second whole to the power of C. Once again I am repeating this point. 1 kg converted into 1000 grams. To make you understand, I am writing 1000 grams. Okay. Now 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So remaining as usual. Therefore, N2 is equal to 1 gram cancel. Therefore, 1 into 1000 into 1 centimeter cancel. 100 into here C. Here A means, remember, 1. B means 1. C means minus 2. C means minus 2. A, B, C values 1, 1, minus 2. Into, it is already cancelled. So nothing is there. Therefore, N2 is equal 10 to the power of 5. Therefore, N2 is equal 10 to the power of 5 dynes. Therefore, 1 Newton is equal 10 to the power of 5 dynes. Like that, we have to solve the any type of the numerical. This is called conversion of units. Now we are going to discuss another numerical, that is numerical number 2. Convert G is equal 9.8 meter per second into kilometer per hour. This is the question. Once again, I am repeating the question. Convert G is equal 9.8 meter per second into kilometer per hour. Solution. G is equal 9.8 meter per second square. Here, this one, once again convert G is equal 9.8 meter per second square into kilometer per hour square. Now come to here. G is equal 9.8 meter per second square. This is given. Now may I write that is equal 9.8 into 1 meter is equal how many kilometers? 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometers whole by 1 second is equal how many hours? 1 second is equal approximately equal to 60 into 60 hours. Okay, into whole square. Now that is equal 9.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into, may I write this one as, now 1 meter. Here 1 meter, I would like to explain this point. 1000 meters is equal 1 kilometer. Therefore 10 cube 1 meter is equal 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometer. Consider this is 1. This is equation A. Similarly, 1 second is equal 1 hour is equal 3600 seconds and or 3600 seconds is equal to 1 hour because we are converting to hour. Therefore 3600 1 second is equal to 1 by 1 hour by 3600. Therefore 1 second square is equal to 1 hour square by 3600 square. That implies 1 by s square is equal to 3600 whole square by h square, our square. So consider this is point number B. What is point number B? 1 by second square is equal 3600 whole square by our square. Therefore, A comma B in 1, G is equal 9.8 into 1 meter is equal 10 to the power of minus 3 kilometer into 1 by second square means 3600 whole square by our square. Therefore, G is equal 9.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 36 into 36 into 10 to the power of 4 whole by our square into kilometer. Therefore, G is equal 1.27 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometer by our square. Please now see the question. Convert G 9.8 meter per second into kilometer by our square. How we are converted? G is equal 1.27 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometer per hour square. Like that we have to solve the numerical. Now we are going to discuss another numerical. Now numerical number 3. Convert an energy of 1 joule into ergs. This is the question. My dear students, once again I am repeating. Convert an energy of 1 joule into ergs. This is the question. Now we are going to solve slowly. Please observe carefully. Now solution. Joule is unit of energy. Unit of energy on MKS and erg. Erg is unit of energy on CGS. Therefore, the dimension formula for energy is m to the power of 1 L square t to the power of minus 2. Therefore, the dimensions are The dimensions are A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to -2. C is equal to -2. For MKS, system, for MKS system 2, CGS system M1 is equal to 1 kg, L1 is equal to 1 meter, T1 is equal to 1 second, and M2 is equal to 1 gram, L2 is equal to 1 centimeter, T2 is equal to 1 second. Once again, I am repeating this point, my dear students. For MK system to CGS system, M1 is equal to 1 kg, L1 is equal to 1 meter, T1 is equal to 1 second, M2 is equal to 1 kg, L2 is equal to 1 centimeter, T2 is equal to 1 second. Therefore, N1 is equal to 1 joule, comma, N2 in the bracket number of arcs. We have to find, that is equal to, we don't know. Therefore, N2 is equal to N1 into M1 whole by M2 whole to the power of A into L1 by L2 whole to the power of B into T1 by T2 whole to the power of C. Now, N2 is equal to N1 how much? 1. M1 how much? 1 kg whole by 1 gram into, what is A? A is 1 into L1 1 meter by 1 centimeter whole by, what is B? B is 2 into T1 1 second by T2 1 second. What is C? C is -2. That is equal to 1 into 1000 grams whole by 1 gram into 1 into 100 centimeters whole by 1 centimeter whole square into 1 second by 1 second whole to the power of -2. Therefore, N2 is equal to, here 1000 into 1 centimeter going to be cancelled. 100 whole square, that means 10,000 into, it is also cancelled. Therefore, N2 is equal to 10 cube into 10 to the power of 4 ergs. Therefore, N2 is equal to 10 to the power of 7 ergs. Therefore, 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 ergs. This is required conversion of joule into erg. Now note, N2 is equal to N1. N2 is equal to N1 into U1 by N2. This is also important formula. My dear students, I hope you understood how to convert from conversion of units from one to another. However, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. My dear students, remember, note means very important. We have to remember, we have to recall, we have to keep mind the gap. So note means important.